Good morning and welcome to the back roads, but with a bit of a difference. I'm on my own today. Liam's not here. He's doing a secret project which you will see soon, or maybe you've already seen it. Don't know when this will come out. But this morning I'm going on my lonesome in Marty, the Toyota MR2, to Silverstone, where we're going to be watching a couple mates competing in the Parallel Pomeroy trophy, which I'll explain a bit more when we're there, what it is. But it's a small kind of clubman level auto cross, auto solo event, a few little gimmicky stuff in there as well, which represents the history of Toyota, but we'll explain that all properly when we get there, because currently I'm running late as usual, so we're going to go off. So it's going to be a bit of a vloggy style video, as we haven't got the main camera with us, got a couple GoPros and me, so it might not be the best, but we'll try. But I'll see you there. Right, hello. Slightly weird, in case the original intro wasn't used. Welcome to Silverstone and the Parallel Pomeroy trophy. We're here following Lewis from Takona mostly. We've got a couple of other friends competing in an MR2 Turbo and a Corolla. But it's just gone very wet, and you'll see some onboard shots from Lewis, but just to explain everything that's going on, it's kind of absolutely pouring it down. We just had Storm Eunice yesterday. Storm Eunice is still around apparently. It's absolutely freezing now, raining. I was in the car with Lewis, but for safety reasons they pulled me out. So yeah, it's interesting so far. Very wet now. I'm soaked through completely. The camera's thankfully fine. But yeah, we'll try bringing you what we can. It's a bit of a mismatched and weird event, but it's really exciting to see all of these cool Toyotas around. Sadly, I couldn't compete myself, but hopefully next year we will. But yeah, we'll just continue to whatever the rest we can do. So, what is the Parallel Pomeroy Trophy? It's an event hosted by Toyota at Silverstone to determine what is the best Toyota. The results are weighted to give everyone a fair chance, penalising the latest and the greatest cars such as the GR Yaris, to give the little starlets a chance to run with the rest of them. It's a test of agility, acceleration, braking, and most importantly, fun. So enjoy as we watch our friend Lewis from Takona try to make his way through it all.
The end of Test B is up at the roundabout. Where the fuck is the roundabout? How do I know when to go?
I think it's about to tell us, right. Let's go! Oh.
I've got to stop! Oh, fuck.
You loser! You fail!
I didn't fail, I'm in between the cones. Right, I'm going to now get to the back of that queue. There's a fucking van!
Yeah, there's a diesel Hiace.
Drive to D, fucking D, and then back to B, and then to C, and then end at E. Stop all wheels between D and... Alright, so drive to there, back to there, drive to there. That makes no sense.
After Lewis fudged his first attempt at Test B, it was time to take on Test C, the ultimate enemy of a Japanese gearbox, going backwards and forwards at speed, and even worse, in the middle of a rainstorm. His clutch was not going to like this.
Oh yeah.
That's what's going on?
Yep.
Good. Right, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Surviving Test C, it was time for Test D, driving the Toyota logo. The most dreaded test of them all, with 3 varied oval shapes combining to form one track. Many drivers were careful and nailed it, but how would our Lewis do?
Outside of this, inside of there. Side of this. It's fucking over here apparently. Fuck it. Did I do that right?
Very, very wrong.
I got lost.
So it's wet and windy Silverstone. We're just looking around at some of the vintage cars here. Liam is trying to attack
Hello there.
Hey Lewis, bunch of hoodlums right now. What's up?
You what, bruv?
You what?
Go on, Tam.
Bam.
Running parallel to the Parallel Pomeroy Trophy is the original event, the Pomeroy Trophy. It's an age-old event to test the best touring cars from all across the ages, meaning pre-war Austins racing little MX-5s on a level playing field. And after we were done nosing about the pit garages, it was time for our complimentary lunch.
I can see myself. So we're into the afternoon session now. It's quite windy, so apologies for all of the noise. We are here at Silverstone again. Marty's not competing, sadly, and I'm not competing, but we're kind of following Lewis from Takona as he's competing impromptu last minute. It's been really cool so far. Hopefully the weather looks better now, but now I've said it, it's going to be horrible. It was torrential downpour earlier. I don't have a coat, so I'm completely soaked through. But it's been really fun. It's really cool to meet the team from Toyota and see all of these cool owners. There's loads of cool cars here. There's probably about 4 or 5 MR2s, which makes me happy. And now we've got, I mean, there's loads of Yaris's, GR Yaris's, everything here. Hiaces, loads. So if you're a Toyota fan, you've got to keep an eye out for this. It's an annual thing, hopefully. It's I think the 2nd or 3rd year running now. But it's great. If you want to do like a little bit of club level motorsport, it's inexpensive. It's like £30 to enter to compete. Small little timed courses, and hopefully there's a trophy at the end of the day for a couple of people or 3 people. But it's been awesome so far, and lovely food, lovely team, good coffees, everything. It's been a delightful day so far, bar the horrible weather. So yes, we'll show you a bit more of it this afternoon.
Okay, so you're with me now, and I'm looking like a bit of a hood rat, so apologies in advance. But it's very windy today, so don't expect too much of us talking to camera. Frankly, I'm not sure how the audio quality is actually going to look, because the audio is going to listen, not look. But the problem is that really we're in a massive open car park, so the audio isn't going to be fantastic anyway. But look at this. There's a huge amount of people here, and to be honest, considering the weather's been absolutely shocking, it's been pretty good. The turnout's been okay. I wasn't here for the first half because I was out at Workshop 77 doing things with the Porsche, but we're just sort of, there's going to be one more run at 2 o'clock today, which is in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, something like that. And then that's it for the day. So we're going to go inside and have a chat with some Toyota people, get a coffee, and then we're going to head out and see what we can do.
Hello. Much better weather this time.
It's much better, isn't it? It's still slippery though.
Makes it more fun.
When you get to the Ford, loop round, go out at the bottom, and just run across there where that one is.
Yeah.
But turn right till you see the blue and silver pole and come up here.
Okie dokie. Am I going that way or that way? Am I
Back to there first.
Perfect. Hello.
Alright, 4.31.
Is that good?
That is pretty good, yeah.
Lovely
yeah,
stuff.
5's good.
Okay, next event. This is forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, stop. Simple, right? So you have to go from the starting point all the way to marker number D, and then go back to marker number B, and then forward to marker number C, and then back to marker number B, and then all the way to marker number E. Number, as it obvious.
Right, happy?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
That's my clutch. Reverse wheel spin. Smells very clutchy in here. Very clutchy indeed. Okay, next up, driving round the Toyota logo, which I completely messed up the last time. So you have to go from the bottom of the logo, round the edge to the top, do the small elliptical, and then go round the outside edge to the bottom, or to the top again, I suppose, or to the bottom, and then do the vertical elliptical. That's right. Wish me luck. I'm off. Round the outside. Now do the 4 in the middle. No drifty boys this time. Can't help myself. Can he help myself? Gotta be a drifty boy. And one last drifty boy in. Do I stay here for a time or do I just leave you to it?
That's it.
Lovely stuff. Thank you. Got it right this time.
So, thank you everybody for joining us on this lovely adventure following Lewis at the Toyota Parallel Pomeroy Trophy. This is the second year running they've done it. First one was in 2019, 2020, the year of the mega plague. So, thank you for joining us in today's video. You're probably not hearing it. Very casual outro now. Lewis did really well. Hope by the time the video is released, we'll probably know the actual position, so we can try and put it in place. If not, it's Toyota's fault. But it's been excellent. I'm hoping to compete next year because it was really fun. Sadly, I didn't enter this year and missed the reserve list. So hopefully next time we'll do it, and we'll have a turbo MR2 competing it. Although the MR2s didn't place brilliantly in this event, so we'll see, because it's weighted with handicaps, so everyone has a fair chance. So it's not just GR Yaris's in the top 25. Yeah, but it's been amazing. So we've got a long drive ahead. Well, not long, 2 hours. Long for us because we don't go anywhere. And yeah, it's been a lovely day. Very wet and windy, but lovely all around. So thank you everybody for joining, and look forward to seeing you in the next video, please. Goodbye. Smash, smash, smash.